Hello friends, in this video I talk about the time complexity of linear sets. The efficiency of linear sets can be measured using time complexity. First we try to understand what do you mean by time complexity. The amount of time required by an algorithm or a program for its execution is called time complexity. So what is the best case time complexity of linear sets? Now we see best case time complexity. The linear set gives best case time complexity when the key is matching with first element of the array or list. So as we know that key is nothing but the value to be searched is called key. If that key is equal to or matching with first element of the array. So see this example. If the array has n values, the first value index is 0, the last value index is n minus 1. Now if you look at the cross mark which is in green color, and if both key and the first element of the array, if both are same or equal, then we say that key is found. So here how many comparisons we made? Here we make only one comparison, that is the key is compared with only the first element of the array. So only we make one comparison and we are saying that or concluding that key is found. So the best case time complexity is big O of 1. So you have to write one big O followed by bracket. Within the bracket 1 we make one comparison. That is why the best case time complexity of linear sets is big O of 1. Means here 1 means it is denoting the constant amount of time. That point you need to understand. Now we see what is the worst case time complexity of linear set. So the linear set mechanism or procedure gives worst case time complexity under two situations. One situation is when key is matching with the last element of the array. That is one situation. Other situation is or key is not found. When the linear set mechanism gives worst case time complexity, please pay your attention, when the key is matching with the last element of the array, this is one possibility, or key is not found in the array, then the linear set gives worst case time complexity. So look at the first possibility. What is the first possibility? If key is matching with last element of the array, here the position of last element. So x is here nothing but last element and keys both are same. That means key is found or key is equal to last element. At this moment the linear set mechanism gives worst case time complexity. Or if key is not matching with any array value, that means if key is not found in the array, we compared key with first value, second value, third value and so on, last value of the array, but key is not matching with any array value, then we say that key is not found. At that situation also the linear search mechanism gives worst case time complexity. So in the worst case, here we have to compare the key with all the array values and conclude that key is matching with last element or key is not found. So at most the key can be equal to last element of the array or key is not found in the array. That is the two possibilities in the worst case situation. So in this case we make how many comparisons? N comparisons. Why? Because assume that if the array has n values, so we can compare key with first value, second value, third value, like that. How many values can be compared? N values. That's why the number of comparisons is n. We can make n number of comparisons. That's why the worst case time complexity of linear search is big O of bracket open n. So we have to read this symbol as big O followed by n. So here n means it takes linear amount of time. For example, n value is 100 means big O of n means here number of elements in the array. So that is worst case time complexity. Now we see the average case time complexity. So average case time complexity, when the linear search mechanism gives average case time complexity. The linear search gives average case time complexity when key is matching with the element of the array other than first and last elements. So we should not consider the first element and last element, as we know that if the key element is matching with first element of the array, that is the best case situation. If the key element is matching with the last element of the array, that is worst case situation. So in the average case, if key is matching other than first and last elements of the array, that is the situation of the average case. See here, if key is matching with any array element other than first and last element of the array, then the linear search gives average case time complexity. So assume that if you look at the figure, how many values are there? Assume that n values are there. You have to ignore the first value and the last value. So out of n values, if you ignore 2 values, how many values are left in the array? n minus 2 values are there. That means key should be compared with at most n minus 2 values. So here we have to compare the key with only n minus 2 number of array values. Why? Because we skipped or ignored the first value of the array and last value of the array in the average case situation. So we have to make how many comparisons? Just carefully observe. We have to compare the key with only n minus 2 number of array elements or values at most and conclude that key is found. So in this case we make n minus 2 number of comparisons. Why? Because there are only n minus 2 number of values only should be considered in the average case. So according to time complexity rules, we have to ignore the lower order terms and constants. So what is the total number of comparisons? N minus 2. Here you have to ignore the 2, constant 2. If you ignore 2, so what is remaining? If you ignore 2, n is remaining. So the average case time complexity of linear search is big O of n, means it requires linear amount of time. So try to understand. Best case means, the best case time complexity means the minimum amount of time or smallest amount of time taken by the algorithm for its execution is called best case time complexity. So what is the best case time complexity of linear search? Big O of 1. This is the least amount of time taken by the linear search for its execution to say that key is found. What is the worst case time complexity? Worst case time complexity means the maximum amount of time taken by the process or algorithm for its execution is called worst case time complexity. So the worst case time complexity of linear search is big O of n. What do you mean by average case time complexity? Average case time complexity means the average amount of time taken by the algorithm for its execution. That means the algorithm is not taking either maximum amount of time or minimum amount of time. So that is called average case time complexity. So thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, Please share with your friends, relatives and others, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.